Before I start working with Natalie, I felt like very sick. I was losing like 30 pounds in 4 months. I thought I was going to die, so I had lots of symptoms. I had like gut issues, gut pain, dizziness, panic attacks, anxiety. I couldn't sleep well during the night. I had internal tremors, red spots on my legs and my hands. I couldn't focus very well, so I couldn't work. I had to stop working. I had sought care from 3 other healthcare professionals without any benefits, so I found myself sicker and sicker, and my health declined severely. So I had a referral to Natalie, and we had our first initial visit. I like her approach. She wanted to discover the root of my problems first before she developed like a treatment plan for me and a diet plan. Because of her specialty and knowledge regarding GI disorders and GI imbalances, and I fully trusted her from the beginning. After I started working with Natalie, I saw like improvements from 1 month to another. It was like a long recovery because of my health problems. People need to understand that they're not going to see improvement over the night. They need to be like very patient and to fully trust Natalie. She was the one that got me where I'm at right now, because I regained my health and my energy, and I can work, and I know I can focus, I can do whatever I want. I can eat foods that I couldn't eat before. I no longer have the aches and pains and the gastrointestinal problems that I used to have, and I regain my physical strength. I feel more energetic right now, and I can eat different kinds of foods that I couldn't eat before. So I can enjoy life right now. I can go out at the restaurants with my family and with my friends, and life is different now. The investment is worth it, because I was sick. I thought I was going to die. As I told you, I had already spent lots of money with other doctors, with other healthcare professionals on treatments, and I was still dying. It's worth like every penny working with Natalie. The way I'm approaching my life right now, I changed the lifestyle, so I'm eating like much healthier. And Natalie, she taught me how to eat the healthy way, and my life has improved so much. I'm a better husband and father for my kids, because now I can teach them the way they should eat in a healthier way. Since I'm feeling much better, I can spend more time with my family, and I can focus on my family and on my kids. I recommend Natalie to friends and family. She's very dedicated to what she's doing. Hello, my name is Raul Mintiu Pipa. I'm from Battleground, Washington State.